Why does choosing an experienced kitchen designer benefit a homeowner when completing a kitchen renovation?
Well, first and foremost, the kitchen needs to function correctly. Blind corners with appliances close. You got to make sure none of the drawers and appliance doors collide with one another. And that sort of thing is something a inexperienced designer will miss. It looks pretty on the screen, you know, when you're designing it with the CAD program, but then you get in there and start using the kitchen, you'll find out things aren't functioning the way they're supposed to. And that comes with experience. I can look at a kitchen and tell you what's wrong with it without stepping foot and opening anything. And I feel like that's very important. Not only does the kitchen have to look good, it has to function properly.